Hello friends. So happy new year first, and for new year we are going to make a calendar. See, I'm using some old calendar. See, I'm having two calendars. I have already cut this from this. Now what we have to do, I'm going to cut the month, weeks, and the numbers also. If you have in different language, so you can use this calendar also. It's just important that we need numbers. See that, don't cut the red mark one. You have many numbers here, so you can just adjust with the same size and cut it. So that one thing we need. Then two simple Xerox papers, drawing paper plain. Okay, I'm using your handmade. You can use any type of paper, and one contrast color I'm using to stick the numbers on this. I will show you. See this way. After cutting, cut this portion and stick this way for all the things. Like I had cut for the month also this way and stick it. So this will look nice for the border. For that reason, I need a plain paper, handmade paper, glue, paper tape, and transparent tape also. I will tell you why. Now we are going to make a frame with a photo calendar with a photo frame. So I need a photo to measure the size, and two cardboard I have taken. This is the waste one, okay, and very thick. See, this is the thickness. So at least you need to take a thickness. See, I was having this A4 size cardboard. Whichever cardboard you have to compose in that form. Okay, how big you have the cardboard, you have to arrange your things according to that, and according to that you have to cut the numbers. If you like, you can take a printout of numbers, months and weeks, and then you can arrange it. But I'm using the old calendar and cutting the numbers and months. So as your choice. Let's start. First, take the paper, okay, keep it this way, both the things, okay. See, I will show you. Okay, you are going to mark here same size, okay, same size, all the side. Here I'm just keeping just a 1 centimeter gap in between both the cardboard, and all this is, I had kept the scale size around all the sides, okay. All side is the scale size I had left. Now first we will stick this. After drawing the line, see, I had already draw the line for you. Now I'm keeping on the line. Now just you have to give one cut here and then fold it. See, this way you have to fold it. All over, put the glue, okay. The other one also stick nicely. Now the portion of this, now put the glue, stick also. All the corners I will cut. Now stick this. See children, handmade paper needs time to stick. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a tape so it will hold it, so I don't have to keep holding. This is the easy and the shortcut for, you know, holding the hand busy with that. So I'm just putting a paper tape. Shape you want, you can keep. Now we will arrange our things. Now first thing, okay, taking a paper for all. See, nicely I had cut, see, equal size, huh? And this also I had cut equal size. See, I had cut equal size. See, on the same size of this paper, yellow paper, I had stick. Even if the, see, now the March spelling is very short, but what I had done for the equal form, I had taken the measurement of this January month, because the January month alphabet is the biggest. So I had taken that, and according to that I had cut all the strips, so it's look even and out, so it's good. For the, when you have to change, you can change the year. This way you can use this calendar for the whole year, means whole your life you can use. Just changing the background, you can make it. Now we are going to arrange this according to the frame. First, with the pencil you are going to mark it. See that it is equal. Take the help of the scale. See that it is equal all the side. Yes, this is equal on the kit. This is very difficult portion. If the measurement or the position is wrong, then you will find difficulty. So this is the one thing. Now first I'm going to add the year. Okay, for year, see the distance, check the distance, and then please keep your things. The composition nicely. Arrange it how you can make different arrangement also. This in the center. Photo. Keep like this. Okay. Mark the lines. Mark here also the line. We are going to make the frame like this. See, this way I had cut the strips according to the size of my photo. Okay, this will go this way. Okay, now we will stick this first. See how I'm sticking it. See, you have to just stick on the edges of the point, so this is even out. So now just put your Fevicol on the tip, and one side, you see, this is the down portion where I had put in the glue. See, again same way I'm going to just apply on the edge. I'm not going to put ear glue because we have to stick this first, and then so much size we are done, that much size only you have to overlap. Now this thing here also same way. See, I'm just going to mark the line first, the extra to put the glue, and this side this way. You can change your photo. See. Understood why we had not stick on this side, only the edges? For that reason that you can remove this. So we are done with this. Similar we are going to do for this also. Okay, similarly we are going to do for this also. Same method, just attach this way, take a size of this thing, make it equally thing this way. Okay, first I'm going to stick this portion side, mark the points. Okay, don't forget to mark the points. First thing, I had already marked the thing, just mark it. I had already marked, just I'm showing you again so you will not make a mistake. Now see children, when you are doing for this, one thing you have to remember that this thickness is more. Okay, so what we are going to do, to just lift it, just one small piece of cardboard I had cut it, I'm going to put on the points outside, so it will give us a little bit of the corners. I'm going to put here also this way, so we will get little bit of lift, and then I'm going to put this strips on this way. Understood? And then we are going to stick this, so we will get the lift, so it is easy to remove also. That's clear now? Here, chalo, we will stick now. See, first stick the pieces in the center. Okay, now we got your numbers like this. First again, because we need, don't put on the sides. Here I'm just going to see, I put on only one side, and this will go on the side, only on. So see, this is this much size, so your cardboard will be at least 2 layers of the cardboard. So you can change, even it can change to 2022. So this way we are going to change our year. So now it is 21, so let's be 21 only. Now cardboard, small pieces on the corner side, so it will give a relief. And then we have to make the, see, when you press it, that much size we are going to put the much size it is, and then mark it and cut it. See, here also you can put a pieces or a whole thing of the thermocol. I'm using thermocol. You can use the cardboard also, just stick together and make that much thickness and put on the sides. So I'm using this. See, it should be easy, that much tight you have to put it. Okay, just I'm going to mark this side, the side one. Chalo, I got it. Now I'm going to cut for this. Okay, we will stick first this and then this. So it is very easy to move around the things. Chalo, let's do it. Just take this. So we get the relief portion. This way the block is stick. See, before putting this, what we are going to do, we are going to cover this little bit, this side also, sides one, where we have put in the thermocol. It's not going to seem, but for the neatness, we should put the strips like this. From little bit inside like this, see. On the edges only are going to put the Fevicol. Take and then cut off and stick. See, every time I'm telling you that you have to just put the glue on the one side, which is on the side edge of the thing which we had done on the base. See, this draw is ready. Now we are going to make similar this one and this one in the same manner how we had done. Okay, pieces. Now we are going to stick this. See, I'm just putting the glue on the relief portion, so it is need little bit more Fevicol for the thermocol. This strip. Okay, now this will be same way how we had done for this. Insert this, and this will go the whole this side. You can have one more photo frame also. See, this way it will look. See, this way it is going to look. You can decorate these borders, so it to just give a good look. Okay, you can decorate it as you like. See, I will show you. Okay, see, I put one more photo. See, this portion I had put in the Xerox paper, so it looked very nice. When your calendar is ready, you can change the date, month and weeks also. Here also you can change the month and your calendar is ready. You can decorate as you like. Till then, please click your photo with your activity, complete your activity, enjoy and take care. Bye.